Hi everybody, welcome to the Beauty Outcast. My name is Camille, and on this channel we are all about being style icons and never fashion victims. Today is a very special episode in that I'm going to show you how I reinvent old clothes for new seasons, new occasions, and the odd special occasion. And it's what I call style highlighting, in that for the old clothes that I make new, I create kind of sectors, style sectors. And today's style highlight is black leather and lace. It's a combination that I have been rocking for the last 25 years, and it never fails, never lets me down. And I'm so excited to show you some of my looks. So this is going to be a reoccurring thing, how I show you physically how to create new looks from old clothes. There's nothing that you can physically buy because obviously it's all old clothes, and obviously I'm here to doing this as a hobby. In a way, I'm a bit of a style educator, and I just want to share my my experience, my knowledge as a costume designer for 10 years, as well as a stylist for a lot longer, but more importantly, as a human being who's got a great eye that's been inherited from her angel, Mother Mary. So without further ado, let me show you the first look. I'm so excited. You know, I just love everything, style and fashion and clothing and just the art of style. So what do we have? First look, love and adore. This is actually, I tell a lie, Norma Kamali dress I bought this year, at the early part of this year. So I've had it for maybe about 8 months. But this is the newest item out of all what I'm going to show you. Everything else is just years old. But I paired it with a beautiful Vancouver leather blazer, fitted leather blazer. And I've had this blazer for a good 25 years. So it can't go across my chest. It never does. It's a single button closure anyway. But just look how I just can't let this piece go. It's beautiful. Look at the quality. It's got a few nicks on it, but nothing that you can see the real naked eye. If you do a real close up, you can't see it. So these pieces, little mini bag, is from, I think, something like Stradivarius. I got about 3 years ago. I don't even know what shoes I'm wearing underneath that long dress on me. And I'm 5'9", 5'10", actually. Look how long this dress is on me. So it's just stunning. But this is a showstopper piece for the holiday season. You can imagine this at a great Christmas event, a great family event, a fabulous fashion party, a fabulous birthday party. The possibilities are endless when you really want to go in and just, show out. But be regal. I love a bit edgy and I love a bit of elegance. That's me in a nutshell. Edgy elegance, as I say. But this, as you can look at it and think, how can I make this work for me? If you don't have my height to really carry that length, then, if you can't wear a pair of super high heels or boots, find a way to cut it off somewhere, maybe find a shorter version, work with your proportions. I'm fortunate enough to have quite balanced proportions. I've got long legs, but I also have a long torso that's balanced out. So there's a lot of things that I can get away with, right? But this look, I adore. And it's just perfect. New Year's Eve, can you imagine this New Year's Eve? Yeah, I can imagine. So I'd say this is one of the dressiest looks out of the bunch. But it's still quite, you can see I'm just so relaxed in it. So that's the first old for new season look. Next up, is another all black ensemble. And here we have an Outkast Paris sort of lace and chiffon sheer blouse that I've had for about 10 years. And I pull out this blouse season after season, and I'm rocking it with some, oh, these are faux leather. I'm not so much of a fan of faux leather, but I buy it because, yeah, I just bought into that whole thing. But because it's effectively plastic, right? But I love this shape on me. These trousers on me fit me so well. And these, I think these were in the Karen Millen sale. Karen Millen is a sort of quite, used to be quite a corporate design house, British brand. Not really ordinarily my kind of go-to place, but I saw these somewhere and I thought they're great. And then I found out they were Karen Millen, so I snapped them up. But I've had these for about 3 years too, these trousers. And I've just teamed them with some sparkly ankle boots, and some real statement earrings. Those earrings I've had really for too long to mention. But you see again, this piece works. Again, this works so well. It's laid back. It's a bit zhuzh. So it could be dinner. It could be date night. It could be an office party or an event, a corporate event that isn't too kind of dinner black tie, that isn't black tie. This could be a fashion event. This could be so many things that you just feel so relaxed, but you know that you look just the part. So another old for new. Both of these blouse, I can't tell you, like I said, it's just so old, but it's so relevant, so now, so modern, so cool, right? Love, 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 love. So that's look number 2. Old for new look number 2. Okay. Next look, let's add a little pop of colour in the mix. So this is quite just a laid back daytime look that I love. And it's with a lace t-shirt. I do love a bit of lace in a t-shirt form. And here I've just penciled it with a T-length leather skirts here with some statement Michaud design earrings, but this, and some brogues. The brogues I've had, again, for so long. If you invest in a great pair of brogues or shoes, they'll last you a lifetime. And as long as you've got enough to circulate, then you won't break them down so much unless you love them. You know, there's some shoes that you love so much that you break down to nothing and they're just destroyed. But these shoes, yeah, I think they're kind of close to that, but I still love them, these brogues. And I've just paired it, I've just tied in the yellow and the gold. And that skirt, my gosh, again, my leather is decades old. That's a Nicole Fari piece, a French designer, Nicole Fari. I've had that for about 25 years. It's immaculate. So yeah, that's a great day look, right? Just relax, put on a fur, faux fur, real vintage fur, and you're good to go. A trench, a heavy trench, if it's winter, and a big, lovely, long wool scarf just to wrap yourself in it. You could wear a cape with this, one of my cape jackets or cape knitwear pieces. Outerwear would go brilliantly with this. So many options. A short bomber would also work amazingly. I've got this purple puffer that you'll see down the line that I wear often with this look. So this is a great day look that you just want to look a bit more zhuzh. And come December, please, let's all just make more of an effort. Once December's next week, let's all just zhuzh up and elevate and highlight our looks just to feel better. We're coming into the end of the year. We've made it to the end of the year. There's going to be so many events, so many milestones that we can reflect on, and so many experiences that we can reflect on. And just let's celebrate ourselves by adorning ourselves beautifully. So my TED Talk Done. Let's move on to the next look. So old for new, look 3 that was. Let's go on to old for new, look 4. Okay. Old for new, look 4 is kind of my take on boho, like a winter boho look, right? You know, Chloe's storming runways with, you know, bringing back the boho chic look. That was very 90s, my era. So here I've kind of made it a bit more rock and roll and added a leather shirt and paired that with a lace and wool manouche skirt that I've had for about just close to 15 years. It's a maxi skirt, love it to death. See the paneling, the movement, and that belt, I think I got it from a market somewhere. And it's a stretchy, you know, studded belt, which I got from somewhere. Like I said, I can't remember. But that whole look, pairing it with my Lanvin, my trusty Lanvin crossbody that I've had for a good 15 years. But look, look how modern it is. Everyone's going crazy for studs now, right? If you choose well, it chooses you time and time again. So this is my take on winter boho, and it's all old pieces. I think the newest piece in this look is the shirt, and I would say I've had that for about 3 years. I think I got the shirt from COS, but I love earrings from Paris. But yeah, another all black sexy, amazing black lace and leather look. But you see how my mind is working on putting these things together. Really look, when you review the looks, just think about it. Think about how you can do the same that works for you, or interpret it in your way that's uniquely you. If everyone that knows me would look at all of these looks and say, yeah, that's so Camille. You know, that's so Camille. But anyway, on to the next look. Old for new, number 5, the final look. I kind of put this out on TikTok and it did really well, like maybe a couple of months ago, because I had the comparison with Tyler. I think you guys may have seen this look before, but this is one of my all-time favorite looks. And I have an archive and I adore this. This original, one of the very first part of the very first Karl Lagerfeld Fendi ready-to-wear collection that happened maybe in the 60s, right? This blouse is from there, lace, handmade, it's like couture made. Oh, love this. So this blouse is as old as time. And then we have just an amazing leather skirt, full leather skirt, layered skirt, beautiful mahogany purple. Oh, this leather is just chef's kiss. And I've had this skirt, I would say, for a good 20 years. It's crazy, yeah? And it's by Simultaneous as a designer. I think it may be, it's a European designer, but I don't know, maybe they're Scandi or maybe, I'm not quite sure actually, to be fair, maybe Italian. And the earrings are just from, I don't know, TK Maxx or something. But yeah, this look, love, 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 love. It just embodies who I am. And this really is old for new, because these two pieces are racking up some serious years, right? In their history. That Fendi blouse just is an iconic part of history that I get to have in my archive and continue to wear time and time and time again. So this is the beauty of old for new, right? That's my last look, number 5. And I just wanted to inspire you. As always, I'm here to be a style educator of sorts, you know, and this is my inspiration to share with you, because I want you guys to really think about what you do and just don't blindly shop, like I keep saying, because I do it too. but I've had very few regrets along the way because I've chosen well. When you love fashion and you love style, I don't believe in capsule wardrobes because I think you accumulate too much to have a capsule wardrobe. How are you going to have a capsule wardrobe when you've got a wardrobe full of clothes? If you've got a capsule wardrobe, then you've got the odd 10 pieces that you kind of rotate. But who does that? The real minimalists do that, and the real minimalists can talk about capsule wardrobe, but you're not going to come onto my channel and really get me to tell you about capsule wardrobes because that's just disingenuous because I don't have a capsule wardrobe. I can pull a capsule wardrobe, many capsule wardrobes. But you see, let's just keep it real. Let's just be honest here. But on that note, all of these looks can take you day, night, evening, all various occasions, to wear them to. I just hope that you really look and find pieces that you can, by enjoying the content, you can be like, oh, wow, okay, I get it. So on that note, thank you so, so much for watching the Beauty Outcast. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to grips with this whole YouTube thing, but just bear with me. You know, I have lots going on, but I also, I'm just trying. And I've been a bit MIA for a couple of weeks, but I'm back. I'm just going to keep trying. And that may occur again, but I'm always going to come back. Just know that because I'm really enjoying it. It's a hobby that is, like I said, it's my therapy. So these last 3 weeks I haven't done video. I've just been like, oh my God, I've been very conscious of the fact that I haven't done a video and, and apportion some guilt towards myself, but that's not a healthy emotion. So it's just about me just keep trying. I'm going to continue to try. Even if only one person watches, I'm grateful. Seriously. Because here at the Beauty Outcast, you've got a genuine, authentic space and human that's just talking to you as real as I get. I'm very aware about social media, so I'm very aware there's things that I will never share I'm not trying to put all my business out there because I'm not into that. But when it comes to style and fashion, I'm an open book. And beauty, actually, because I've still got to tell you, I've got to do a beauty. I've got to do a beauty one. Maybe I'll do the next one, maybe do a beauty one, but just being in front of the camera. I walk all day, every day without makeup on, but just to be in front of the camera for like 15 minutes and talk through stuff. I haven't done that before. And I'm still using my phone, still very basic in my equipment. But just bear with me. We'll get there, right? But again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao. Bye.